Use your web browser such as Chrome or Safari. Then on the Google search, you want to search for TurboTax. Then click on the website called turbotax.intuit.com. On this window, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see this tax tools right here. Then click on tax calculators and tools option just below it. And scroll down a bit. Then click on Go to TaxCaster button right here. And tap on Calculate My Refund button. After that, you may insert your general taxes information, and you may receive the estimated tax refund or how much you'll owe to the IRS. Just keep in mind that all of these are estimated. Other conditions and situations may make a difference to your refund or how much you have to pay to. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.